There are two jobs in the PACE assessment that are two parts, and they are FP6 and FM6. The reason why they are two parts is because they take a little bit longer to complete. So for FP6, for example, part one is just making pie crust dough, and then part two is rolling out the dough and baking cookies. So the flow for the two-part jobs is a little bit different. That's what this video is about. So for scoring, the first scoring screen is the same as usual. Okay. On the second scoring screen, you see it looks quite different than normal. So basically, all you're scoring here is how long it took them to complete the first part and also whether or not they did it successfully. So check for the stopwatch being stopped, stop time written on the work record, and then you put in the time for the first part and whether or not it was completed successfully. I'm going to put yes, then send scores, and you can see it's moving to part two. Now, once it gets to part two, the same rules apply for the assistants. You cannot have a lower assistant score. If you try to put in a lower assistant score, you're going to get an error message. Okay, so we're just going to keep the verbal assistants here and press begin job. And here's the second scoring screen for part two. And then you put in the rate, how long it took them to do part two. And the app automatically calculates the work rate for you. It adds them together and does the work rate. Okay, then I'm going to show you what the score looks like for Leslie for FM6. There you go.